Hi, everyone, and welcome to the new Simmons Insights platform. My name is Ashley Brown. I'm a Product Solutions Manager here at Simmons, and I'm going to walk you through a quick update of what we've done with our new Simmons Insights platform for you. First, as you can see at first glance, it's very clear we've made a lot of changes. Looks completely different from our traditional OneView platform. We've modernized the look and feel, made it a little bit more sleek and clean to use. We've made more use of our empty space, and we've moved our Crosstab tool palette over here to the left. We've also built in an amazing feature that we're calling the Smart Search. It allows you to search all 60,000 data elements of our NHCS in a matter of seconds. As you can see here, we can type in something like char. This operates on a flat text function, meaning the more letters you type, the more results you get. We have charcoal, we also have Chardonnay. If we keep typing in something like Charmin, then we get all of the answers for Charmin. You can also search in here regardless of space. So if you type in something like smartphone with a space, you'll pull up stuff about smartphones. If you type smartphone without a space, you'll get the same results for smartphone. We're not looking for just an exact word here. It has an intuitive platform that it's using to find these answers. Another part of Smart Search that's really amazing is that you can code your targets out directly in the coding box. We find our male, we can click the connector, and then we can put in if we're looking for certain ages. And now we have our target built out. You can also see a new feature we've added is that it will automatically tell you the sample and weighted population for the targets or expressions that you're building. Once you have it built out, you can move it over to your columns and rows using any of the icons here. And then you can see it over here. Another feature we have is that you can still use the classic dictionary search by expanding the button that says all. If you're wanting to peruse your lifestyle statements and not have to search with keywords, you can still do that. Find what you're looking for, and then it will populate the answers over here and give you the option to move them over one by one or code them together and build a target or an expression. When you run the Crosstab, it'll become obvious that we've really changed the way we're visualizing this data. We've made the screen bigger, we've used conditional formatting to enhance the way the reader can quickly bring their eye to certain parts of data that they're wanting to look at. We can also collapse the Crosstab toolbar, which makes you have a full screen so you can see your entire Crosstab in one click glance. They're interactive where you can hover over and see the statements or whatever you put in to read. We're using a different color for each metric, and then you can also go up and down. Another thing you can do is when you export it into Excel, it will keep all of those same data enhancements on the Excel file for you. If you're looking at this and thinking you really like using OneView the old way, or there might be times when you want to use the classic OneView version of Crosstab building, you can just go right here and select Dictionary Search, where you can see that we've brought over the OneView way of building out crosstabs and made some updates to it. It's much prettier, it's nicer to look at, and it's easier to read. We've expanded the space on this screen so that you have a good 2 or 3 more rows of text showing in both your your questions and your answer window. Especially this helps when you're looking at long sentences or answers. You can see almost the full sentence now. We've also moved bases from being behind your columns and rows to being on the front screen so that you can always see what base you're using and aren't having to toggle back and forth. You can see we've also completely changed the look of quick reports as well. We've changed the colors, we've changed the way some of the graphs are shown, and we've also made sure to make it very easy for you to see this data in a visualized manner. You can also utilize the Smart Search box here to be building out targets for your quick reports. You find it, move it to your target or base, click on your report, and run it as you have before. You can see we've made some updates to some of our quick reports and made them a little bit more interactive. Here on the day in the life one, you can add and remove certain devices that you do and don't want to look at. These are also still able to be exported into Excel so you can see the data and crosstabs that was used to create them. So as you can see, the Simmons Insights platform has had a ton of updates. Most importantly, our Smart Search and data visualization methods, the fact that you can still use crosstabs and create them the way you used to like in OneView, as well as our updated coloring and appearance and functionality of our Quick Reports tool. We're really looking forward to our clients using this and seeing how much time this is going to save them moving forward.